Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Etsy payments to a US checking account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from Etsy payments to a US checking account, begin by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, click on the Shop Manager icon located at the top right corner of the page. In the Shop Manager, find and select the Finances tab from the left-hand menu. Next, click on Payment Account to access your payment settings. Here, you will see your current balance and transaction history. To initiate a withdrawal, locate the Deposit Schedule section on the page. Confirm that your checking account is linked to your Etsy payments. If it is not linked, click on Edit to add your checking account information. Enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Once your bank details are verified, return to the Payment Account page. Look for the Withdraw button, usually located near your balance. Click on the Withdraw button to proceed with the transaction. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure you enter a valid amount that does not exceed your available balance. Review the withdrawal details to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the details, click on the Final Withdraw button to complete the process. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your withdrawal has been successfully initiated. Funds typically take a few business days to transfer to your checking account. Monitor your bank account to confirm that the funds have arrived. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.